How to create a Gate.io account. Hello everyone. Gate.io is a well-known and trusted cryptocurrency exchange, offering a wide variety of coins and tokens to users around the world. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gate.io account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To create an account and receive attractive offers from Gate.io, visit coinaz.net/gate. Or click on the Gate.io account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter the email address or phone number you want to use to create your account. Click Sign Up. Then, drag the arrow to the right to fit the puzzle piece into the empty slot. Gate.io just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Gate.io just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click here. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. This is the verification code. You can copy it. Then, paste or enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click Confirm. Now, let's proceed with identity verification. Click here. Click Verify Now to get started. First, select your country of residence and nationality. Next, choose one of the following documents for verification: ID card, passport, and driver's license. After selecting your document, click Next. Next, enter your basic information, including your full name and ID number. Click Next. Then, choose one of these methods to complete document and facial verification. I'll choose Take Pictures with Camera. Click Next. Click Agree and Continue. Next, click Start Verification. Click Continue to start taking photos of your document. Select Allow to access the camera, and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. Your documents are under review. You will be notified via email or direct message once the review is complete. To secure your account, click here. Click Security. I'll show you how to secure your account using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. Gate.io will show you a QR code and a setup key to link your account to the Authenticator app. You can either scan the QR code or enter the key manually. I'll enter the key manually. Click here to copy the key. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code, or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Enter a setup key. First, enter an account name. Next, I'll paste the key I copied from Gate.io. You can also enter it manually. Click Add. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to Gate.io and enter this code. First, enter the email verification code. Click Send to receive it. Drag the arrow to the right to fit the puzzle piece into the empty slot. Gate.io just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email and enter the code. Next, enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Finally, click Confirm to complete the process. You've successfully enabled Google Authenticator to secure your account. I've completed the guide on creating a Gate.io account. Wishing you success.